Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blend two images in Canva. So first to be able to begin, let's try to upload first here the two photos that you want to use. Right after you go ahead and upload that, you could go ahead and add the first photo in here. But since I don't have a photo on my end, let's try to use elements for this one. Let's click onto this and let's try to use some photo in here that we want to blend. So for example, this is the first photo that we want to add. Make this bigger just like that. And then let's add in another photo that we're going to use. So let's add in another page for this one. Make this bigger. And it should go ahead and look something like this. Then right after, we're going to choose a gradient in here. So just simply search gradient in here. But I have this one here onto my end. Let's try to use this one. Let's rotate this and make this bigger. So you could go ahead and stretch this just like that. And right after, let's copy that one out and paste that one here onto the other page. But for this one, we're gonna flip that vertically and then we're gonna adjust it just like this. Right after, we need to go ahead and download this or export these two photos separately. We're gonna click on to download. Let's try to choose the first photo first here. And the file format for that one is PNG. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other photo. This time, let's choose the two only. And let's wait for this one to be downloaded. Now, right after you have downloaded the photo, just delete the photos that you have added in here. And then you'll just need to drag and drop the photos that you've gone ahead and downloaded earlier. So let's make this one fit the screen, the other one as well. And let's resize this one out as well. Now it should look something like this. Then right after, what we need to do is we'll need to select that back again and we'll choose transparency and we'll lower that down to blend both of them. So as you can see, both of the photos are already added onto the same frame. And that is just basically it, how you blend two images in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.